238 pages. This is a short, fun story for teens and people who love romance.
This book was hard to put down. It's so interesting and romantic. The book's best part is the intertwined lies that broke down at the end. Though it was difficult to keep up, I loved this book so much.
Night World, Daughters of Darkness by L.J. Smith.
He's got great big feet, he's jumping to the beat. He's been dancing in the street. He's dressed so fine, got lots of loot. We like to call him Mr. Zoot Suit. He drives a great big car, smokes a big cigar. He looks like a king and he acts like a star. When we see him drive by, he goes toot toot. We all shout, hey Mr. Zoot Suit. He's got purple suspenders and a yellow tie. Come on boys, I tell you no lie. Those